choose Premium Pro. Okay, hold on for a second before you make any decision. Surely I'm telling you why you need to choose Premium Pro for editing. Basically, you can choose because of number 1, dynamic linking between Adobe software. Yes, whenever you need to create a cool animation, you just need to hit the right click on the mouse and go to After Effects. In After Effects, make your animation and save the animation. And now guess what? Here comes the magic. Due to dynamic linking, it automatically saves to Premium Pro with the same animation. Isn't it cool? And you can do with the Photoshop also. Number 2, interface is similar. You may have not noticed that user interface is quite similar to After Effects. If you know Premium Pro interface and how to use it, then it will be easy to understand After Effects interface for the beginners. For example, the concept of keyframe is similar in both, so it will not take more time to learn both the software parallelly. Number 3, popularity. Yep, you heard it right, popularity. Premium Pro is popular among famous creators, and most people are also using this software. And you can find bunch of plugins and templates which are available for particular software and make your editing easy. If you have any problem and issue in the software, then there are millions of tutorials to solve your issue, and there is 24/7 support services for you from Adobe, and one of the main benefits for choosing this software. Number 4, benefits.
Yeah, boy.
Premium Pro, it's very expensive. But stop! Who's saying that I am paying for this software? Just kidding. Or am I? If you want to know how to use Premium Pro for free, please tell me, please. I'm broke. If you purchase the whole Creative Cloud, which is 5,412 rupees per month, but with the student discount you get the offer. And with this you get free plugin, free royalty, free music because you purchase the Creative Cloud, free stock footage, and you also get the access to 100 GB of cloud storage and more. And you still thinking not to choose Premium Pro? And the error I'm showing, it's not so frequent, guys. And if you keep getting this error, no one uses Premium Pro for editing. And the thing is, whatever software you use, you always stuck in one thing, and that one thing you have to improve, which is your editing workflow. In this video here, I will not show you how to, but also show you the 5 amazing tips to increase your editing speed in any software so that you can edit 100 times faster.